The grid dashboard item supports 5 column types: dimension, measure, delta, sparkline, and hyperlink. This screencast covers the menus available for each column type. Column type is displayed under the gear icon when the column is selected. The screencast creating a grid on the dashboard covers how to build a grid, and displays the location of menus for each of the column types. There are 14 menus available. This screencast will describe the functionality and location of each. Binding, options, and totals are available for all column types. Binding displays the data available for a column. Options allows the column caption to be edited. In hyperlinks, the URL web link can also be added under options. Totals add summary values to a column. Each column type supports a specified set of summary functions. Once added, they display at the bottom of the column. Conditional formatting is available on dimension and measure columns. Conditional formatting allows cells to be highlighted based on specific conditions. It is covered in detail in a separate screencast. Top N and data shaping menus are available for dimension, sparkline, and hyperlink columns. Top N limits the data displayed and is covered in a separate screencast. Data shaping allows for ordering or grouping data. Calculations replaces the data from the data source with a calculated value. This menu is available for the column types, measure, delta, and sparkline. The same calculations are available for each. For this demonstration, quantity is configured to display the % of total. The filter menu applies filters only to the selected column. This menu is available for the column types measure, delta, and sparkline. Screencasts are available on how to configure filters on dashboard items. The Format menu configures the way numerical data is displayed in a column. It is available for measure and sparkline columns, and for hyperlink columns if the data in the column is a measure. To demonstrate, quantity will be formatted to display the percentages as whole numbers. Delta columns have the menu of delta options. The display mode can be configured to display a bar or a value. For value, the type can be configured. In this demonstration, % variation will be displayed. Currently, the result indication is set to greater is good, however, other options are available. Setting a threshold configures how large the delta value must be for the indicator to display. To demonstrate, if it is set at 40%, values less than 40% will no longer have an indicator displayed. To format numerical data in delta columns, value type is noted, in this example, % variation. The Format Options menu is opened, and the appropriate value type selected. The pencil icon is clicked to allow formatting. For this example, % variation will be formatted to display with 1 decimal place. The Sparkline Options menu is available only for sparkline columns. Options are available to configure the type of chart displayed, and the information included. An option to configure column widths is available for all column types. The option only displays once column width mode is set to manual. Column width mode is configured by selecting the tool icon, layout, and setting the mode to manual. Alternatively, if the column width is altered by dragging, the setting will automatically configure to manual. Once the correct mode is configured, column width displays in all column types. This menu allows configuring of the width of the columns. The combined widths must fill the entire grid element.